Welcome to our introduction on why DIY car maintenance really matters. Taking care of your car is not just important, it keeps you safe and saves you money. And guess what? You can do it yourself, you don't need to be a mechanic. Today we're going to learn some simple car maintenance that you can easily do at home. Regular maintenance helps prevent bigger problems down the road. It's a bit like brushing your teeth. You do it every day to avoid cavities, right? Same with your car. Small checks now can save big repairs later. These checks are easy to learn, quick to do, and not only can they save you money, but they can also help you avoid breakdowns and make you more confident on the road. Let's get started. We will cover everything step by step, and you'll be a DIY car maintenance pro in no time. Before we dive into the actual maintenance, let's talk about the tools you'll need. You don't need many, but the right tools definitely make the job easier. First off, you'll need a good set of wrenches. These are essential for loosening and tightening bolts. Make sure to get a variety of sizes in both metric and standard. Next up, a socket set. This is similar to wrenches but faster and easier for some jobs. Ensure your set includes a variety of sockets. You will also need a tire pressure gauge to check the air in your tires. It's a small, easy-to-use tool, but very important for your safety. And finally, don't forget a good pair of work gloves. They protect your hands, keep them clean, and make gripping tools easier. Now you're all set. Moving under the hood now, let's talk about checking your engine oil. The engine is the heart of your car, and it needs oil to run smoothly. Luckily, checking your oil is easy and should be done once a month. First, park your car on level ground and turn off the engine. Let it cool down for a few minutes for safety. Then, open the hood and look for the dipstick, which usually has a brightly colored handle, often yellow or orange, near the engine. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean with a rag, then insert it all the way back in. Pull it out again and check the oil level. The dipstick has two marks, full and add. The oil level should be between these marks. If it's low, you'll need to add more oil, using the correct oil type for your car. Lastly, let's focus on your tires, which are your car's only contact with the road. Keeping them properly inflated is crucial as it affects safety, fuel efficiency, and tire life. Use a tire pressure gauge to check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, which means before driving or after only a short drive. You can find the recommended tire pressure in your car's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. Screw the gauge onto the tire valve. You'll hear a hiss of escaping air, which is normal. The gauge will then show the tire pressure. If the pressure is too low, add air using an air compressor, available at most gas stations. If it's too high, release some air by pressing the metal pin in the center of the tire valve. Section 5. Coolant check. Keeping your engine from overheating. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating. It's a mixture of water and antifreeze that circulates through the engine, absorbing heat. Remember, never open the coolant reservoir when the engine is hot. It's under pressure and you could get burned. Always let the engine cool down completely. The coolant reservoir is usually a translucent plastic container located near the radiator, with min and max marks on the side. Check the coolant level. It should be between the min and max lines. If it's low, add more coolant, using a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and water. Section 6. Windshield wiper. Wisdom, ensuring clear visibility. Windshield wipers are essential for safe driving as they clear rain, snow, and dirt from your windshield. You need to check them regularly. Start by checking the wiper blades for any cracks or tears in the rubber. If they are worn out, replace them. It's a simple job. You can buy new wiper blades at any auto parts store. Just tell them your car's make and model, and they will help you find the right ones. To install new blades, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. There's usually a clip or button to release the old blade. Slide the new blade into place and make sure it clicks securely. Lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, and you're good to go. Section 7. Light it up. Inspecting your car's lights. Your car's lights are crucial for visibility and safety. They help you see at night and signal other drivers. Check them regularly. Turn on your headlights and walk around your car to make sure all the lights are working. This includes headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. If a bulb is burned out, you need to replace it. This is usually a simple job. You can find replacement bulbs at any auto parts store. Consult your car's manual for instructions on replacing bulbs. It will show you how to access the bulb sockets and tell you the correct bulb type. Section 8. Air filter fundamentals. Breathe easy, drive smooth. Just like you need air to breathe, your car's engine needs air to run properly. The air filter keeps dirt and debris from entering the engine. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, which can reduce performance and fuel efficiency. It's important to check and replace it regularly. The air filter is usually located in a black plastic box near the engine. Consult your car's manual for the exact location. Open the air filter housing, remove the old air filter, insert the new air filter, and make sure it's seated correctly. Close the housing. That's it. Section 9. Battery Basics, the heart of your car's electrical system. The battery provides the electrical power to start your car and powers all the electrical components. It's important to keep it in good condition. First, locate the battery. It's usually under the hood, a black rectangular box with 2 terminals. Be careful. Batteries contain acid. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion, which looks like a white or greenish powdery buildup. It can prevent the battery from working properly. If you see corrosion, clean it off. You can use a mixture of baking soda and water, apply it to the terminals with an old toothbrush, and rinse with clean water. Section 10. Emergency Preparedness. Equipping your car for the unexpected. You never know what can happen on the road. It's best to be prepared for emergencies. Keep a few essential items in your car. First, keep a first aid kit in your car. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and other basic medical supplies. Next, keep a flashlight in your car, make sure it works, and keep extra batteries. It's invaluable in case of a nighttime breakdown. Also, keep a set of jumper cables in your car. They are essential for jump-starting your car if the battery dies. Learn how to use them safely. Section 11. Conclusion. Empowering yourself through DIY car maintenance. Congratulations! You've learned some basic DIY car maintenance skills. These simple checks can save you money, prevent breakdowns, and keep you safe. Remember, you don't need to be a mechanic to take care of your car. These tasks are easy to learn and quick to do. You can do them yourself. Start by incorporating these checks into your routine. Check your oil once a month. Check your tire pressure every few weeks. Inspect your lights regularly. By taking charge of your car's maintenance, you gain a sense of accomplishment, become more familiar with your vehicle, save money, and